You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to disable the new camera control button on the iPhone 16. This physical button on the side of the phone can be accidentally pressed, so you may want to turn it off. Open the Settings app on your iPhone 16. Scroll down and tap on Camera in the Camera settings. Look for the section labeled Camera Controls. Tap on it. Here you will find the toggle switch for the camera control button. Tap the switch to turn it off. The button will now be deactivated and will not launch the camera app when pressed. If you want to restrict its function instead of turning it off completely, you can also choose Lock button from the same menu, which prevents it from being used when the phone is locked. You can still access the camera quickly from the lock screen by swiping left or using the camera icon. This setting helps prevent accidental activations in your pocket or bag. To re-enable the button at any time, simply return to Settings, then Camera Controls, and toggle the switch back on. The button provides a fast way to open the camera, but disabling it can save battery and prevent unintended launches. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.